Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case unpackaging, the Half Moon 35-liter waterproof laptop bag. On the package, we can see the Half Moon branding right in the center, with a sticker showing the barcode and some details about the product, which is basically Half Moon 35-liter casual cover and 18-inch in the navy color. On the back of the package, we can see some information regarding the brand and how it got to manufacturing products like this. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into the package and see what we have. We get wide padded adjustable shoulder straps, which basically make it easy while it's carrying a heavy load. On the front, we can see some Half Moon branding, and we also get a welcome note. On the sides, we can see a couple of holders for bottles, and this one has the Half Moon branding as well. The bag comes with overall 3 sections, 3 zipped sections that is. The first one, or the smallest one, is padded, and here you can put any kind of valuables like smartphones, power banks in here. It also has its dust and water cover that you can put on the bag when it's either raining outside or it's too dusty. As we can see, this can protect the bag when it's out in harsher conditions. Next up is the middle section, which is slightly larger than the first section we saw. This one is not a padded section, so it can be used to put notebooks or other accessories that won't be prone to any kind of damage. And then the biggest and thickest section can be used to hold a lot of other things. It also has a section, a padded section to keep your laptop in. And as we can see, it is a pretty thick section. The last section is a secret section, which is at the bottom on the back side of the bag. Here you can keep some of the more important valuables like passports in case you are traveling, so that it won't be stolen from the bag. On the top, we get a padded handle, so even while carrying it like this, it is comfortable. And that's about it. This has been the unboxing of the Half Moon 35-liter waterproof laptop bag. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.